Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I did a spiral nail design using dip powders and dip liquids. So let's get right into the video. So I apply my Cherael bond to dehydrate my nail, and if you don't have any bond, you can use acetone or rubbing alcohol. Now I apply 3 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and dipped into the clear dip powder. Then I applied base to the whole nail and then dipped into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nail and also to protect my natural nail from the color. This is also an optional step. Now I'm using my Revel black dip powder. I did a few layers on my nail. I usually build my nail up with the black dip powder. I do not like encapsulating black nails because it leaves some white bubbles on the nail when it's encapsulated with clear. So I prefer to just build the nail with the black. Then I placed activator on the nail, waited for it to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nail. Now I'll be using my Pro Dip white dip powder that I mixed with my diamond dust glitter to do my spiral nail. So I pour some of my activator in a glass. A little goes a long way, so don't waste it. I'll also be using a straw and a 3D brush. I didn't use the larger brush in the middle right there. So I start by measuring the straw to my nail so I know how long my spiral is going to be. Then I mark it with my marker. Now using my brush, I place it in the activator and into the dip powder and picked up a bead of the dip powder and placed it on the straw. I was trying to do a snake head right here. You know, it's kind of triangular, so I'm just forming the head. I really don't know what I'm doing. And then I proceeded to do the spiral by going around the straw. So what I would advise is to make the spiral a little thicker than I'm doing right here, because it actually broke and I had to redo it. Laziness got the better of me because I knew better, I just wasn't feeling to do it, and it cost me in the end. So I'm going to leave you guys to watch what I'm doing, and I'll be back shortly. So if y'all are noticing the white is turning a bit yellowish, this is what using activator can do. That is why I don't usually use activator method with clear dip powder or white dip powder. It never stays clear or white. Using the activator method with a colored dip powder is way better. However, I didn't mind because I was doing a snake nail and it didn't bother me for this design. Then, using my base and some clear dip powder, I just encapsulate the spiral. This ensures that the spiral gets hard because activator and dip powder alone wouldn't harden the nail. Base needs to be present for it to harden, or else it would remain soft and wouldn't be able to file it. Then I applied activator, which isn't necessary, but I'm a creature of habit. I needed to put activator after base. Then I waited a while for it to harden. Then I removed the spiral from the straw. It's not hard to remove, you just have to squeeze the straw and it's removed. However, mine broke, the head came off. So I had to do it over off camera, and I'm just showing a comparison so y'all can see how the first one was way too thin. That's why it broke, and that was due to laziness. So don't be like me, okay, you guys? Don't mind the blue tail, that was from the marker. So I just tried it on to see how well it fits. Then off camera I cut out all the stray pieces from the spiral and neatened it up a little bit. Then I placed it back on the straw, and using my Mother One's gel top coat, I placed a layer of top coat and cured for 30 seconds. Then I'm using my Mother One's black gel polish and my dotting tool to create some dots on the spiral to mimic a snake. I do not know what snake has dots, but let's roll with it. There is a possibility, but I just don't know. That's what I came up with in my mind, so I thought I would do it. Then I cured for 30 seconds. Now using my Mother One's gel glue, I place a thin layer on the head of the snake nail, and then I placed my top coat on the whole spiral to seal in my design. Then I placed 2 rhinestones at the head of the snake to mimic snake eyes and cured for 30 seconds. Now I placed the spiral on my nail. I also placed a layer of gel top coat on my nail and cured for 30 seconds off camera. I forgot to show that one. So you can stick the spiral on your nail with some Mother One's gel glue if you'd like, or even the powder based glue. I just didn't show that part. Then I placed cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nail. So let me know what you guys think of my spiral or snake nail in the comments below, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.